Where to stay in Taipei if you're looking for a hotel na nasa gitna ng Taipei Main Station and Ximending. Just 5 minutes to the nearest metro station, may malapit na convenience store, and the room is modern, comfy, and aesthetic. Located in the heart of Taipei, this is Citizen M, Taipei North Gate. Upon arrival, may self-check-in kiosk sila na super daling gamitin. Yung nakuha kong room is a standard double, city view with window. And pagpasok mo pa lang, welcoming na agad ang vibe. Ang neat and ang aesthetic. Meron kang full body mirror, lavatory, fresh towels, mini ref, and daily refills ng bottled water. May safety deposit box din and even hotel sleepers. Complete na. Sobrang linis din ng toilet. Wala lang bidet pero okay lang. May rain shower and malinis talaga yung area. Yung room, super cozy, minimalist pero high-tech. Ang lambot ng bed, may blackout blinds for deep sleep at may tablet ka na kontrolado lahat. Lights, aircon, curtains, pati mood lighting. Meron ding mini working area with lots of power outlets. And the location, sobrang convenient. 5-minute walk to Taipei Main Station tapos sobrang lapit sa Ximending. Shopping, street food, and nightlife. So if gusto mo ng hotel na may perfect balance ng comfort, style, and tech, Citizen M Taipei Northgate is the way to go. Ang smart ng concept, hassle-free, social tingnan, pero di naman sobrang mahal. You can book this on Klook for as low as 4,500 pesos per night for 2 persons. Don't forget to use my promo code for extra discounts. So next time you're in Taipei, try nyo dito. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi.